Think you know everything about flying? Think again. What airlines don't tell you could make or break your trip? From hidden health hazards to clever safety tricks, these flight secrets will completely change the way you travel forever. Welcome to Altitude Hacks, where we uncover the truth behind the clouds and bring you insider tips that airlines would rather keep secret. Stick around until the very end because tip number 10 might just save your life. And trust me, you don't want to miss it.
Hi, I'm George, here to unlock the secrets you never knew existed. Welcome back to Altitude Hacks.
1. The oxygen mask myth. You've seen the safety demo 100 times, but here's what they never tell you. Those oxygen masks only provide about 12 to 15 minutes of air. Sounds terrifying, right? But before you panic, here's the truth. Pilots only need a few minutes to bring the plane down to a safer altitude where you can breathe normally. That short supply isn't meant to last the entire flight. It's designed just to cover the emergency descent time. But here's the real danger: wasting time. Hypoxia, the lack of oxygen, can knock you out in seconds without warning. At cruising altitude, you can lose consciousness in 15 to 20 seconds. So when those masks drop, don't finish your text. Don't reach for your bag. Put it on immediately. Secure yours first before helping others, because if you pass out, you're no help to anyone. Real story. In 2018, a Southwest flight depressurized mid-air, and passengers who delayed putting on masks nearly blacked out. That's how serious this is. Remember, your life depends on how fast you act. 2. Avoid coffee and tea on board. Here's a secret even frequent flyers overlook. Skip the coffee and tea. Why? Because the water used isn't bottled. It comes from onboard tanks, and those tanks rarely get a deep cleaning. According to EPA studies, harmful bacteria like E. coli and coliform have been found in these systems. In some cases, the water tested failed basic drinking water standards. Here's something shocking. Many flight attendants won't drink coffee or tea on their own flights for this very reason. In fact, several crew members have admitted they only drink bottled water during flights. So what should you do? Stick to sealed bottled beverages or bring your own reusable water bottle and fill it before boarding. Think about it. A stomach bug at 35,000 feet is more than just uncomfortable. It's a nightmare. Avoid the risk, and trust me, your gut will thank you later. 3. The worst times to use the bathroom. Nature calls, but timing is everything on a plane. Did you know there are 2 worst times to use the lavatory? Right after boarding and right before landing. Why? Before takeoff, those bathrooms might not have been cleaned thoroughly. Just a quick wipe to make them look decent. And before landing, they've already seen hours of heavy use by hundreds of passengers. The best time? Mid-flight, usually after the first meal service. By then, the rush is over, and the cabin crew often does a quick refresh. And here's a bonus tip. Always bring hand sanitizer or disinfectant wipes. Door handles, flush buttons, sink knobs. These are germ hotspots. In fact, some studies found E. coli on toilet surfaces even after cleaning. And please, don't go barefoot into the bathroom. Which brings us to the next point. 4. Tray tables. Dirtier than you think. That tray table in front of you looks harmless, right? Wrong. It's one of the dirtiest surfaces on the plane. Dirtier than the flush button in the lavatory. Think about it. People eat on them, sneeze on them, and yes, some parents even change diapers on them. And how often do they get cleaned? Almost never. Cleaning crews focus on vacuuming in seats during quick turnarounds. Those trays? They're lucky to get a quick wipe. What's the hack? Bring disinfectant wipes and clean it before you use it. Or better yet, pack a tray cover or disposable placemat. If you're eating on the plane, this step is non-negotiable. Here's something even worse. A microbiologist once swabbed multiple trays and found traces of influenza and even fecal matter. So yeah, wipe that tray. 5. Never go barefoot. It's tempting during a long flight to kick off your shoes, but this is one of the biggest mistakes travelers make. The cabin floor is home to spilled drinks, crumbs, and brace yourself, bodily fluids. And when turbulence hits, the risk doubles. Imagine an emergency landing barefoot. Running over sharp debris is not a scenario you want. The rule is simple. Keep your shoes on for takeoff, landing, and anytime you walk around. If you crave comfort, pack clean socks or foldable slippers. But never walk to the lavatory barefoot. That floor, it's a petri dish, and trust me, you don't want what's living there. 6. Why airlines dim the lights. Ever wondered why the lights go dim during takeoff and landing? Most people assume it's for ambience. In reality, it's a critical safety feature. When lights are dimmed, your eyes adjust to low light, so if there's an emergency evacuation, you can quickly spot the glow-in-the-dark floor strips and exit signs. A sudden shift from bright to dark during an emergency can disorient you when every second matters. So next time you notice the lights dimming, remember, it's not about setting the mood. It's about survival. A small detail that could make a huge difference when seconds count. 7. Don't lean on the window. Love the window seat? You're not alone. But here's something you probably don't know. Those windows rarely get a proper cleaning. Countless passengers before you have sneezed, coughed, and rested their heads there. If you lean against it, you're basically cuddling with a germ hotspot. The fix is simple. Use a neck pillow or cover the area with a scarf. Or just lean back in your seat and enjoy the view without making the window your pillow. Your immune system will thank you. 8. The air vent secret. Some travelers turn off the overhead vent thinking it's uncomfortable. But that vent is your first line of defense against airborne germs. It creates a mini barrier of filtered air around you, reducing your risk of inhaling illnesses from nearby passengers. According to doctors, the ideal position is to point the vent slightly in front of your face and chest, on a low to medium setting. This steady airflow keeps circulating germs from lingering near your breathing zone. And here's another bonus. It helps fight motion sickness and stuffiness too. So next time you board, keep that vent on. 9. Beware of airline blankets and pillows. Those neatly folded blankets and pillows waiting for you? They're not as fresh as they look. On many flights, especially short haul, they're just refolded and repackaged, not washed. Think about the hundreds of people who may have used them before you. Sweat, skin cells, even makeup residue. They're all still there. Solution? Bring your own travel blanket or a compact throw. And if you're a frequent flyer, invest in a good neck pillow. It's cleaner, safer, and way more comfortable. If you absolutely must use the airline's blanket, check if it's sealed in plastic. If it's not, skip it. 10. The seat back pocket is not your friend. That handy pocket in front of you? It's the last place you want to store your phone or snacks. People stuff dirty tissues, food wrappers, and even dirty diapers in there. Cleaning crews rarely have time to fully sanitize them between flights. A flight attendant once admitted, if passengers knew what we find in those pockets, they'd never use them. So keep your essentials in a travel pouch or a small bag you can place on your lap or under the seat. Trust me, your hygiene will thank you later. Flying doesn't have to be stressful, just smart. From avoiding that coffee to keeping your shoes on, these small steps can make your trip safer, cleaner, and way more comfortable. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Altitude Hacks for more travel secrets and insider hacks that airlines don't want you to know. Stay safe, travel smart, and I'll see you in the next video.